Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You open by locking the story. Name the single core idea you want the audience to remember. Once done, map 3 acts and pick 3 pivotal scenes. This creates natural pacing. Next, sketch 1 primary visual per slide and note the exact line of narration that drives that visual. Use a runtime target, 20 to 40 seconds per slide, to force discipline. Make sure to align transitions to story beats, so each slide advances the argument and never drifts into filler. You now leave templates and embrace restraint. Pick one dominant image and remove competing elements so the eye lands where you want. Then establish a strict typographic hierarchy: headline, subhead, caption, and stick to 2 fonts only. This creates instant polish. Once that's set, add motions sparingly, short fades or a gentle parallax to imply depth, not distract. Make sure every animation serves a rhetorical beat, so movement amplifies meaning rather than just decor. You finish by rehearsing aloud, trimming lines that slow the cadence, and rehearsing with the visual clicker so gestures match slide changes. Once done, export a 1080p 264 copy for playback and archive the master Keynote file with linked assets. Make sure to test on the target screen. Different displays change color and scale. If things go wrong, images shift or fonts swap, check safe margins, embed fonts, and verify layer order. Fix those and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.